Hello friends, how are you all? Friends, I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to do reading for no contact, current feelings of your person and if they will contact you. If you are in separation with your person, then this reading is for you, okay? This will be a general reading. So let us start. Okay. This is not pick a card reading. I'm doing this general reading. Okay. I have already done pick a card reading in my previous videos, so general reading I'm doing this. Right. Alright, you could be dealing with Virgo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Gemini. Alright. Okay. Alright, so one more card I will do. Ten of Cups. Hierophant card is also there and Three of Wands at the bottom of deck. Alright. So you could be dealing with Gemini, as I said, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, right? Right. Well, this relationship was very spiritual, very good, very loving. Your person was very loving, okay? But some of you, they might have some attitude or ego issues, okay? Your person might be at a great position. Your person might be at a higher position, okay? And I think now that you are not giving him the attention that you used to give him. Now they are feeling neglected, they are feeling rejected, they are very sad, they are very depressed, okay? They want a family with you. They see you as their wish fulfillment, okay? They want you, they want to talk to you, they want that happy time with you again, okay? Your person is now just thinking about themselves. They have isolated themselves from the world. They are just focusing on themselves. But this relationship was fated, okay? You were meant to meet this person in this lifetime, okay? And your person is focusing on his finances now. He's working on his business, maybe his job. He's focused on his finances, career, okay? Might be he might be away from home for study, or he might be at a distance, okay? Something has definitely ended. This might be relationship with this person, or if your person is with another person, with a third party, then that relationship is ended. The cycle is completed. Might be with the other person, okay? There might be some broken marriage for some of you. I do feel that, okay? But they are now sad. They are feeling depressed. They are feeling that you're ignoring them, and they are very sad, okay? They want to talk to you, okay? Let us see if they will contact you, if your person will contact you or not, if there will be any forward moment from this person. Okay, yes, the Sun card. This is a very, very, very positive card, okay? I just love this card, very positive. And yes, there will be contact from this person, but for now this person is focusing on something else, not you, okay? So he might have some other responsibilities at this point of time, okay? So that he need to focus on. Might be some health issues or some family matters or some career or anything that is important now. That's why his focus is on somewhere else, okay? Could be third party for some of you, okay? Not for everyone, but I think this might be his career, job, or if this is a new venture, then he need to invest some more time, right? He's focusing on somewhere else now, but this person will contact you definitely. Okay, there will be forward moment from this person very soon. Okay, and let us see some more messages. What do we need to know now? Let us see what do we need to know now. Okay, this person might be at a distance from you, and he is thinking about you a lot. There is definitely a good chemistry between you and this person, and yes, there will be reconciliation. This person is thinking about you a lot and thinking about coming back and talking to you, having family with you. This person is continuously thinking about you, and yes, calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations and visualizations help bring you together. So if you're doing some prayers, affirmations or anything that you're doing, keep continuing that, okay, because your prayers will be answered, right? So let us see some more. Okay, so number 9 M, number 7, number 6 V, D, S, B, N, number 2 X. Okay, and this could be Scorpio, I think so, that you're dealing with. So alright, so this could be Scorpio as well that you're dealing with, or your energy or your person's first name, last name or the middle name with these letters N, B, D, V, Q, M, S, X, 6, 9, 7 and 2. Alright, so these numbers are coming strong, and this could be Scorpio. Alright, so I think this was a reading for no contact. This was a energy update for no contact and current feelings of your person. I hope you like it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do comment if it is resonating. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.